lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 8th to February the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan, nagla-live din po tayo doon. So pwede kayong magtanong, no? So kung wala po dito ang inyong reading, pwede nyo rin pong silipin yung readings doon ng February the 8th to 14th, no? Mag-ibang readings po yun. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. So Gemini, parang feeling mo nagkaroon tayo ng missed opportunities dito when it comes to that energy. I'm saying energy because it might be a person, it might be an event, it might be some financial opportunities, it might be some job opportunities. Parang sinasabi mo dito, do I still have the chance, no? Kasi parang ngayon, up until ngayon, no? Hanggang ngayon, parang may kirot itong ating itong either aking nagawa, itong ating pagpa-part ways, no? It felt like kung trabaho ito, it felt like you had the chance, no, na magkaroon ng isang magandang position or makapasok sa isang magandang company, no? It just so happened that you did something probably, or medyo nagkaroon na tayo ng separations from that, but you keep on looking back and telling yourself, no, sana makabalik ako, or sana magkaroon ako ng chance, no, na makapagtrabaho uli in time, no, or in the future. Kung pera naman ito, siguro chances are baka nagkaroon na tayo ng malaking halaga, no, then either nabigyan na nagastos natin, no, or we probably think na lahat naman nagkakamali, no, including everyone, including me, katulad ng sinabi natin dito na nagkaroon. Have you encountered that? Kasi meron ako niyan, especially when I was younger, no, nung parang malaking halaga and then parang nagastos natin sa maling paraan, no. Then probably you're looking back, sana pala kung tinabi ko yon, no, meron ako nabunot nung nagkaroon ako ng kumbaga nakapag-impok ako nung ngayong tag-ulan, no. Ang kwento ng langgam, ayan, siguro tatandaan niyo yun. Kung ito naman ay buhay, pag-ibig, ayan, siguro ito sinasabi nating nagkaroon tayo ng chance na to be with someone, then we are in separations right now, then sinasabi mo siguro, naiisip mo kaya ako, katulad ng naiisip kita ngayon, mahal mo kaya ako, katulad ng still hanggang pagmamahal ko hanggang ngayon, no? Kung health naman ito, syempre that's given, di ba? Dati masigla ka, so ngayon parang meron ka mga hindi magawa, hindi makain, no? Sana kung medyo nag-moderate tayo. So these are the parang regrets natin, no? But with the Queen of Wands, we are very aware of that, and probably meron tayong mga times na kinakausap natin yung sarili natin sa salamin. Sabi ng iba, no? And actually, sabi din to ng mga professionals na it's okay, no, kausapin mo yung sarili mo sa salamin. That's part of your healing process, no. Kasi meron tayong minsan nakikita Yung iba nagsasalita mag-isa, no? That is their way of probably um, releasing, no? Yung mga either anxieties or releasing those um, bottled emotions, no? That's somewhat healing, no? That is your way of coping up. Ngayon, ang sabi ko, okay kausapin yung sarili sa salamin, ha? Pero pag sumagot ng yung salamin, iba na yon, okay? So, yung iba kasi ginagawa yan. I think once in a while, nagawa natin yan. You might be probably looking at yourself, whether it is in verbal form or probably in just a thought, no? So, harap ka sa salamin, sabi mo, ang ganda-ganda mo, no? Ang gwapo-gwapo mo. Uy, ang sexy ko ngayon, ang ganda ng damit ko, no? Tapos maka-create ka na ng mga scenarios na ay pagtitingin na ako ng ganito, no? Yung ganyan. So, once in a while, nagawa natin yan. And we're very aware of what had happened. So, sometimes we're very vocal also of the situation, no? Um, and probably naikikwento natin yan sa mga close friends natin, relatives na, yeah, at one point in time, na-experience ko yan, no? With the Four of Swords, medyo, hindi ko sinasabing, siguro medyo nawala yung pag-asa, pero somehow you're still hoping. Kumbaga medyo napagod lang tayo, no? Napagod tayong to work on or mag-antay. But we are still somewhat, no? May kaunting liwanag doon eh. May kaunting spark, may kaunting something na para sa atin kailangang yung kumbaga hindi pa siya namamatay, no? Hindi pa namamatay yung pag-asa natin, no? With the temperance, siguro kapag nagkakaroon ng openings doon sa trabahong yon or sa company na yon, parang subukan ko kaya. So which means nandun pa yung spark, di ba? Minsan kung ito yung relationship, no, parang sinasabi mo, ay, naka-online siya. Subukan ko kayang mag-message, no? Pero nahihiya ako eh. With the Three of Swords, ngayon namuuna yung takot kasi parang you feel somehow once was shooed away, no? Or yung iba parang they took it as rejections. So ngayon baka mami pag inulit ko to baka mami ma-reject na naman ako. That actually hurts. So somehow what you're doing in here is you want to try to experience, these again, but with the star. I think that you're also doing something yung current, 'di ba? Let's say sa trabaho mo pinagbubutihan mo, that probably, that situation probably naging ano sa yun, yung lesson or parang naging door opening, no? Parang ay ito pala dapat ang ginawa ko sa dito sa trabahong to. I took all these lesson, and what I'm doing is pinagbubutihan ko ngayon dito sa trabahong ito para ma-achieve ko yung hindi ko na-achieve doon, no? Or ngayon pa baka meron pa tayong mga karelasyon and then sinasabi natin sa sarili natin na that would be my greatest love. It's not that I don't love this person, but somehow I keep on looking back to that person and that person has a special place in my heart, no? With the World card and the Judgment. So ang nakikita natin dito, medyo may mga times na we're looking back, we're having all these questions of what ifs. What if kaya kung ganito? What if kaya kung ganyan? Siguro kami pa. What if kaya kung ganito? No, baka mamaya much better yung akin na experience. Not really comparing the person, but it's your own experience. Probably nandito tayo sa dream state natin, no, na nag-activate with the Wheel of Fortune and the Hermit. What I am seeing in here is parang that experience of yours probably gives you a lot of something that you can look back and save it in your memory bank and probably tell yourself na that will be the greatest thing that happened in my life, no? And I think that you're gonna keep it for a long while. Siguro up until the day you die, no? With the Knight of Swords, again, walang mamamatay ha. I just mentioned it. Lahat naman ng tao dadating doon. Ang sinasabi ko lang dito, you're gonna keep that memory up until the day you die. Okay. The Three of Wands and the Knight of Swords. I think na magkakaroon dito ng isang opportunity again wherein you need to take action with the Nine of Pentacles and the Tower. There might be something changed. Let's say makukuha mo siya. Tower moments kasi minsan talagang kinakatakutan. Sa akin, hindi ako natatakot. No? Chances are, yes, pwedeng oo, pero hindi most of the time. Tower moment for me, I took it as a challenge and I took it that there is a transformation. And I feel like there is a transformation in here. Probably makakapasok tayo ulit doon sa trabahong yon. Pero it's not the same anymore. It might be not the same management. It might not be the same coworker. You know, some rules have changed. So parang magkakaroon tayo ng culture shock, no? But still, we can still get or pass through it. Or probably makakaroon tayo ng isang kaibigan na makakaroon na doon nagtatrabaho ay makakatulong sa ating makapasok, no? What I am also saying in here when it comes to finances, no? Baka kung dati nagkaroon ka ng pera when it comes to yung tulad ng sinasabi ko na medyo napanghinayangan mo, siguro nakuha mo siya sa, you know, easy money, let's say lotto, no? Ngayon, magkakaroon ka ng trabaho, you still have the chance to have that, pero in a different settings, in a different probably environment. But I am seeing that you are very capable. Now, what I am seeing in here when it comes to relationship, so ayun nga, magkakaroon kayo ng pwedeng pagbabalikan, pagkikita, pero in a different settings, probably you can do more, or probably that's it, and becoming more of ang tinatawag natin dito, becoming civil, no? With the Ace of Pentacles and the Lovers, for a few numbers of you, I think that you are destined to have this experience relationship person because I feel like you are connected to your twin flame, no? Hindi siya soulmate, magkaiba po yung soulmate and twin flames. Ayan. So I think that you are destined because you are twin flames. I think that you are meant, no, to have each other. Ayan. So, Gemini, let's get some more cards here. Gusto ko lang po ipaalala sa inyo na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, Pabaylan TV, nagla-live po tayo doon, ha? So, pwede kayo magtanong. Kung hindi kayo makaresonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Ayan. So, kung hindi nyo po siya maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Okay? So, Gemini, kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot, tumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating description box. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Now, nandun po yung information, ang ating question form, amount per question, name, number, QR codes for your reference. Ayan. I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, Emily Bronte. So, from what I am seeing, you might be leaving. Baka ito yung sinasabi natin na bihira mangyari sa ibang tao. And I feel like this connection of yours with this energy, probably with other people, you know, or with this person, I feel like hindi siya nararanasan ng mga pangkaraniwang tao. I think piling-pili itong mga may ganitong sitwasyon. And probably you're one of those people na you have to go through to this. And it felt like meron pa rin naman ng mga happy endings dito, no? Let's get a message from the universe. Those difficult times will pass. Nothing bad lasts forever. See? The sun will shine again. The birds will sing. The clouds will clear. And you will be glad you keep moving forward. You will soon be rewarded for your patience. Hold on. You are far stronger than you think. So, I feel like this is your resiliency when it comes to this situation, because you keep on probably manifesting it to happen in your life, whether you move forward or you want to be part of this connection again or this energy again. And I am seeing that is very achievable, very doable. Now, if you just have the patience, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I am seeing Leo, Gemini, Taurus, baka kapwa Gemini ito, no? Virgo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Libra, Aquarius, ayan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste and see you sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the